I got my October bag, and I got it early. Bam! So this is the Ipsy bag for October. So let's see what is inside. Okay. It was all over the place. I'm gonna just take everything out first, because there's stuff everywhere. Okay. So we have face masks, 2 of them. I don't know why they've been putting them in these little bags like this though. So there is 2 of them. It says, the first one says face of the day, and it's a soothing, restoring face sheet mask. Of course, they have on the back instructions on how to use. And then the second one is après ci. This one has instructions as well. Okay. It also came with a Tarte setting powder. So we have a setting powder, right? Yeah, a setting powder. This is by Tarte. Sorry about the glare. Take it out so you can see it. But get it out. That's the design of it. Oh, it has a mirror and a brush. Twist it up. Oh no. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna mess this up or spill it. Yep, I'm not gonna do this because I feel as though I'm gonna spill it. So we just know that this is the color there. It says it is translucent tan deep. So put that back. And then we have a brow gel. Oh, is this a brow gel or is this like a... It says 2-in-1 brow pencil and built-in tinted gel. Let me show you this. Why did they say when the box all beat up like this though? They have to do me like that. And this don't come with a top. Alright, because I was about to say, how do y'all just send me products and they wide open? Because this is what the top look like. So I thought it was already open. This side is the brow gel. Don't mind me smelling it. It came with a Freematic eyeshadow pro palette. face keeps trying to act crazy, even though I have been using the mirror stuff, which I love, of course. There is more. What is this? This is a Dr. Lip Superfood tint. Oh, it says multi-use skincare. So you can use it for your lips, your cheeks, and eyelids. On my lips, eyelids, and my cheeks. That's different. I'm just taking a look. Show you what it looks like. So there's 3 little boxes. Then we have a hydrating facial cleanser. This is a small little bottle for a cleanser. It's definitely tiny. And then last but not least, this is an environmental rescue essential day cream. This is pretty cool. It says to apply in the mornings. So, and then of course I have the cute little card that tells me I'm magic, which I already know who, but thank you. And this one says, it's like trick or treat. So it just gives you like things that you can do. Ooh. And then of course the cute little bag. This one is actually really cute. One day I'm gonna find a use for these because I don't have anything to do with them right now. But they're very, very, very cute. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. So I got 4 of them actually. Sheet mask, this superfood tint, the brow pencil and gel. I'm not gonna be able to hold all of this, but that's that so far. The eyeshadow palette, the what's it called? Setting powder, exfoliant, cleanser, and the cream. I'm definitely gonna have to do a video to show you guys like in rotation, like what I'm using now and then what I'll be using later. So right now I'm still using the mirror and stuff because it's working wonders for my face, especially during the weather change. My face likes to get crazy. I've been breaking out everywhere, like everywhere. It's ridiculous. So hopefully with all the products and stuff, my face will continue to flourish and grow and stay vibrant. But yeah, that's all I got. Nothing really to try on because I'm not about to do my eyebrows right now because I already have an appointment to get those like tinted. questions about any of the products. I don't use them all at one time, but I do use them. I do use them eventually. So let me know if you have any questions.